Hello everybody, welcome to the Parallax Academy. As you know, we are here with the Maths 100 the challenge. You know that it's the Maths 100 the challenge, and we are here with the day 5. It's the day 6. So Maths 100 the challenge. And this is the day 6. Alright, now let's get started. As you see that we are talking about the linear equations, linear systems, and we described in the previous videos that's what is linear systems, and we also talked about the what is linear equation. We also told you that the solutions of a two-dimensional case. In case of two-dimension, what will be the solution in case of two-dimension, and what will be the solution in case of three-dimension. Now we will be talking about a linear system with only one solution. Okay, this is, you know what is linear system? That is, if two solutions are in a system, or they're making a system, then we can say that's a linear system. So that's the case. So that is, we have here today's example will be example. We'll show you some example, and this today we'll be talking about, that is, a linear systems with one solution. System with one solution. I'm following the book of Elementary Linear Algebra, which is of Howard Anton. So you can follow that book, and you'll find this in page number 5. Okay, so let's just talk about this, the linear system with one equation. So we'll have here two equations, that is x minus y equals to 1 and 2x plus y equals to 6. Okay, there are two equations, x minus y equals to 1 and 2x plus y equals to 6. These are the two equations there, and this represents a linear system. Now if you want to solve these two equations, you know how to solve these two equations, so just solve it. Okay, so let's just add these two things. So we have here equation 1, this is the equation 2. This is very easy, I know that you all know these things. So we have here x minus y equals to 1 and 2x plus y equals to 6. And now if we just add these two things, because here is a negative sign, there is a minus y, and here is a positive sign. So if we add these two equations, then what will be the case? This y and y will be eliminated. Okay, and this y and y will be eliminated, and this will result in, and we have here okay, we'll just add here addition. We can say that this is the addition here. So the 6 and 1 makes 7 here, and this y and y, these two are eliminated here, and here there is a 2x plus x, 2x plus x, and or we can say that 2x plus x equals to 3x equals to 7. Therefore x equals to, we can say that 7 by 3. Now if you put the value of this x in the first equation or second equation, whichever you want, it's your wish. So let's put this value of the x equals to 7 by 3 in the equation 1. Okay, putting the value of x equals to 7 by 3 in equation 1. We can say that 7 by 3 minus y equals to 1. Therefore y equals to 7 by 3 minus 1. That will be resulted in 7 minus 3 equals to 4 by 3. Therefore we can say that the solution of this linear system is 7 by 3 comma 4 by 3. Alright, so this is the solution. That's it for today. Let's see you in the next class, and that tomorrow will be day 7, and we'll be solving a linear system with no solutions. Alright, that's it for today, and make sure to share this video if you enjoy this video, and also hit the like button, and please do subscribe. Okay, because we need subscription to reach out to more and more people. We need this subscription thing. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's share knowledge to change the world and be a part of us, and let's just share knowledge that so that we can make the world a better place for living. That's it.